Hello everyone, and let me first start off by wishing you all a very happy and blessed new year for 2021. I am so excited. I am Katrina for those of you who don't know me, and I am so excited to let you all know. I'm going to be taking you all behind the scenes for my business that I started in 2020. So for those of you who know about Moving Grace, for those of you who don't, it's a Christian clothing brand that I started, that I launched. And if you are all interested in entrepreneurship, growing and scaling your own business, no matter what it may be, this is going to be the channel for you. Make sure you tune in, go on over and like and subscribe to my new business channel, because I'm giving everything away. I'm taking you behind the scenes on how I start, make, and design my clothes from start to finish. I'm going to be giving away designers and vendors. Yes, vendors and manufacturers. I'm going to be even showing you how I do product shots. I'm going to be showing you how I do model shots. I'm telling you everything. I'm giving you everything that you need to know to grow and start your own business. Even if you're not interested in a clothing business per se, we're going to be talking about licenses. We're going to be talking about Etsy. We're going to be talking about Shopify. I'll be showing you how I come up with my designs from start to finish. And I'm even going to show you the workings of me trying to teach my son as well, who is 9 years old, trying to teach him the business and just showing him all about the entrepreneurship lifestyle and what it actually means. We're going to be talking about the Cameo machines, heat presses, all different types of products, reviews, reviewing different company materials and products that they have. Listen, we're going to be doing it all. So this is the place, this is the channel that you want to be, and I'm excited because 2021 is only going to get better from here. All of you who have supported me so far, I appreciate it. I could not be here without you, but I'm looking to do more. I'm looking to do bigger. I'm looking to grow, and I want to grow with you. I am still definitely a small little designer, and I am by nowhere near on a level that I want to be yet, but guess what? I'm claiming it for 2021. So if you want to watch my progress, if you want to watch my growth, and I'm not afraid. I'm going to tell you when I fail. I want to show you all those real success stories, as well as my challenges, as well as the hurdles that I have to go through, because yes, I am going through some things right now. If you want transparency, if you want the real deal on how to actually make a business work as you're going through it, when you're in it, I'm your girl. And I want you all to get to know me. I want you guys to feel at home with me. I comment to everyone. I respond to everyone. So you can ask me anything. I am an open book. Sometimes that might not be such a good thing, but I want to share and grow what God has given me. And I just want to help the next person along the way. So go on over, like and subscribe to the channel, guys. I can't wait to meet you there. I will be posting twice a week, if not more. So there'll be new content always. There's always something for me to share, even if I'm just telling you how I'm struggling. But I can't wait. So go on over and follow Moving Grace on YouTube now. Like you can do it right now. Go ahead and click the link, because this video is done, and I will see you there. Much blessings and much success on you and your own entrepreneurship journey.